If prompting and waiting define your everyday workflow, there is now a shortcut to find a prompt or image idea that matches what you have in mind. In this AI Lab update, we have added a visual inspiration tool for you. This is especially practical if you are looking for a background scene for a specific product, but also if you simply want to put together a mood board. You can also use the tool to specifically find a prompt for a certain image scene or mood, because for all the images you find here, we have stored the prompt that was used to create the image. And with one click, you can load either the image or the prompt directly into the program. What you see here has not been sped up. This is how quickly the inspiration tool delivers results. Let's start from the beginning. You can find the inspiration tool here on the right in the prompt library, because it is basically also a visual prompt library. You can use it to directly load images, which you could use, for example, as a reference image, or you can load the prompt that was used to create a specific image. Logically, the result from the loaded prompt will not be 100% identical, but that might be exactly what you want. When you open the tool for the first time, a random image is loaded. If you want to start with a rough direction, you can choose one of the categories on the left, where a starting image is stored for each one. If your exact category is not there, don't worry. You will quickly notice how easy it is to get to an image that works for you. The whole thing primarily works through the two similarity sliders. With the upper slider, you determine whether your similarity search is more subject-based or more color-mood-based. On the left, similar subjects are found, where the color mood can be different. On the right, images with the same color mood are found, where also other subjects could be the main focus. In the middle, both are included, so that subject and color match as much as possible. If you slowly move the similarity slider to the right, more and more images appear where the similarity does not match as strongly. Simply move the slider far to the right if you are looking for something completely different. You can reshuffle the images by moving the slider just a tiny bit back and forth. If you click one of the lower images, it is loaded as the main subject and similar images are searched for. This lets you very quickly navigate toward what you are really looking for. Just click an image that goes in the right direction. Use the sliders to find even more suitable ones. Click a better one, and when you are very close, reduce the similarity further and choose the image you like best. You can load this image into AI Lab in full resolution using this button. At the moment, as you can see in the button, this costs 1 token. Or, also for 1 token, you can load the corresponding prompt and generate a similar image yourself. Even the free trial version of AI Lab includes 100 tokens, so you can test the inspiration tool extensively. The image search itself costs nothing. You only pay when you load an image or a prompt. If you want to load your own image into the inspiration tool to find images that are similar to your own image, you can either load the current image from AI Lab here, or load an image from your hard drive here. It is then immediately compared with all images currently in our database, at the moment over 50,000 images, and the inspiration tool shows you images that are similar to the image you loaded. And don't worry, we only analyze your image for the comparison. After that, it is not stored by us any further and certainly not used for any other purpose. In contrast, you can of course use all images and prompts that you load from the inspiration tool without restriction for your own purposes. Finally, a small practical example. I have a coffee machine and want to stage it. So I load my image from the hard drive, and immediately I have a large selection of coffee machines here. I move the slider further to the left to get more color variance. This color mood is going in the right direction, so I move the slider back to the right to get more images with similar colors.
Perfect. I load the image. Then I load my coffee machine as a reference image and prompt.
Replace the coffee maker in at main with the coffee maker in at ref 1. Adjust the perspective of the coffee maker to match the background scene.
I hope you like our inspiration tool and that you can use it to load many exciting prompts and generate great images. If you don't have an AI Lab subscription yet, feel free to download a free trial version and see for yourself how quickly you can get to the image you want. If you are missing topics and images in the inspiration tool, feel free to write to us. The roughly 50,000 images you can access today are just the beginning. Have fun prompting!